Ford teased the prospect of 3D printing your own accessories when it unveiled the Maverick hybrid pickup truck, and it's acting on that promise. According to 3D Printing Industry and Newsweek, the brand has released CAD files to help you 3D print add-ons compatible with the Ford integrated tether system, fixed slots behind the center console and under-seat storage bins. You can build a cup holder that fits your favorite drink, or a phone mount tailored to your latest. You could say Ford is late. Enthusiasts have already designed Fitz accessories in the months since the Maverick's launch. You can even find unofficial fit slots for the dashboard cubby and non-Ford vehicles. The official files should make it that much easier to create add-ons though, and it won't be surprising if there's a surge in user-made designs. Ford, the company, is still happy to sell pre-made Fitz accessories. As design manager Scott Anderson told Newsweek, however, the 3D printing support represents a pretty big shift in Ford's attitude toward users. It's an acknowledgement do-it-yourself accessory making is on the rise, and that customizing a vehicle can include more than just performance tuning or cosmetics. What Ford loses in accessory sales, it might gain in loyal fans who buy the brand's vehicles again. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.